Hello, good evening. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. Today I will show you two-way data binding. Change underlying data can be reflected in the view through INPC. Uh, I mean to say that how to change your view's content in WPF. In one-way data binding, you cannot change your data on a view section. That's mean of only one way uh, you can bind your data. I mean to say on view sections, if you do not change, then simple you bind your data. I mean to say you see your data only. So first of all, add a class, that is public class customer, in which we can take properties private. That customer class actually inherit from INPC property, INotifyPropertyChanged event, that is available in using system.component model namespace. Also implement that interface INotifyChanged, that is public event property changed, event handler property changed. By using private, create private properties, that is private integer customer ID and the customer name. Here we have two public private properties. Also by using getter setter method, set public properties, that is customer ID. In the get section, return the customer ID, and just after you can call property changed event handlers. In set sections, customer ID equals to value. Also call INotifyPropertyChanged method, return customer ID. Okay, that's fine. Now copy this and paste for your customer name. Customer name, that's fine. Also change the type, that is string. Okay, that's fine. Now prepare a INotifyPropertyChanged event handler void property changed method on property changed method, in which we can take caller member function, caller member, caller member name, that is available in system.runtime namespace. Here we have a single variable, that is caller equals to empty string. Now if property changed class is not equals to null, then change the property by using property changed method. First of all, call that this and new property changed event arguments, and what argument, that is caller name, caller. Okay, that's fine. Now in your XAML section of the page, that is main window.xaml file, add two text blocks and the two text boxes in the stack panel, and bind all of input and read control with the public properties. So stack panel orientation equals to horizontal, new text block, customer ID, and the text block text is binding with what? Customer ID and customer name. Bind with the public property customer ID. Similarly, you can also take another stack panel for your customer name. Change the customer ID with the customer name, and in the binding section also. That's fine. We have a two text block for your customer ID and customer name. If you want to give the margin 5000, left top right bottom. Okay, now save this. In the two-way data binding, we want to take text boxes control and the one button control. Okay, simple. I will give you an example of the button control, that how to change the properties on the INotifyPropertyChanged event. So first of all, take some value in the public properties by using private customer class member. The object of the customer is reference of the customer equals to new customer, in which we can take two values in the customer ID and the customer name. Customer ID is 1 and the customer name is Jacob. Okay, that's fine. Now find the data context with the customer object. Okay, that's fine. Now after that binding, you can change your data. So customer ID is 2 and the customer name is Bill. Okay, save this. Oops, in the customer class, in the setter functions, call the onPropertyChanged method just after the set of the property setter. That's still too much simple. Now start it. Yeah, we can change your data. Customer ID is true and Bill is true. Bill is the name. So INotify property is a very important property. So we have provided two-way communication with the data. So stack panel's name is two-way binding. Without calling any functions, you can change your data on your view section. That's mean of the two-way binding, and providing that facility by using the INotifyPropertyChanged INPC. Now copy all stack panel. Okay, just after that, the first section of the stack panel, change the text block with the text box. All such things is remaining common, and also change the mode is two-way. because the default mode is one way, text box is, and that mode is two way. Okay, that's fine. Save this. Yeah, remove the button click functions and change the effect just after pressing your enter key. So change it from the text box to, and the name is, yeah, properties changes by using INPC. My name is Jacob. Yeah, that's fine. My name is Jacob. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Keep watching my all video tutorials. It's related to WPF. I will give you a tutorial of WPF soon. Thank you very much.